Yo, it's good. It's your boy Kurt, and today we have another reaction. So, SB19, one of the most, successful P-pop group or P-pop artists na meron tayo sa Pilipinas. They have, millions of views to all of their songs and videos, thousands, hundreds and thousands of likes sa lahat ng video na nare-release nila. Million followings across all platform, and we can say na yung quality ng music na nilalabas nila is actually world class, no? But before all of this, nagsimula sila sa pagiging, maliit na artist. And that's why today we're gonna react to one of their earlier video sa YouTube. Na ang title is SB19 5,000 Facebook Likes Special. Imagine, celebrating, small wins sa career nila. And during this time, this video was uploaded 7 years ago. That's September 27, 2018. During this time, hindi pa nila alam kung saan pupunta yung career nila. Wala pang kasiguraduhan, kung sila ba ay magsasucceed dito sa ginagawa nila. But humble beginnings, man. Celebrating small wins. And I'm actually really excited to watch this. Because right now, nakikita natin kung gaano kagarbo yung mga performance nila, kung gaano nila pinaghahandaan para maging isang experience para sa mga 18 and sa mga fans na manunood ng kanilang performance. And now we're going to see them, celebrate just a small win sa simula ng career nila. And well, without no further ado, let's get it. Chateaubriand. Nice. Wow. Chocolate fountain. Stormy day? Ang babata pa nila dito, no?
Get in the zone!
Break! 안녕하세요, SB19입니다. Hello, everyone. Hello.
Oh no. Ken. The hair. Oh no.
Everyone, we are SB19. We're now here at
Parang high school yung buhok ni Ken dito. I'm sorry.
Chateaubriand! Yes. So, alam nyo ba bakit
Chateaubriand.
kami nandito ngayon?
Ako alam ko. Hindi rin natin
Alam mo?
Celebrating 5,000 likes?
Alam ko,
Talaga?
dahil 5K likes na yung page ng SB19!
Let's go, man. Oh, I'm sorry.
SB19!
But at the time video was released, okay, we're almost. Oh, all right, nice.
So,
Oh man, yung itsura ng Facebook luman-luma.
ayun nga po, 5,000 likes na po yung page namin. And we're really thankful for you guys for supporting us and keep on watching us. Salamat po sa inyong lahat. Sana po patuloy niyong supportahan yung grupo namin para po mas umangat pa yung likes ng page namin at makilala kami sa buong bansa. At sa buong mundo. Yun po. Sana po.
Yes.
Keep on supporting us. Thank you very much po sa inyong lahat.
Yes.
One more thing.
Oh yeah, one more thing. It's Sejun's birthday. Happy birthday.
Oh, okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Nasak siya. So ayun, hindi niya alam.
Hindi ko po
birthday
alam
niya
na
talaga.
Hindi niya alam na birthday niya. Nice.
Chinchayo?
So ayun, nandito kami sa Chateaubriand.
Chateaubriand.
And when we came here, actually, we saw a lot of delicious food.
Yeah.
Lalo na dun sa parang appetizer bar or basta ang daming ko nakita eh. So, what are we waiting for? Ayan, excited na si Ken. Let's go!
Let's go!
Speak louder, ha?
Happy
No ba?
Tell us
Or
about the food.
why are we captioning? I don't know. Maybe this is because they're under a company, but feels like para silang inaano, no? Para silang dito? Ini-instruct on what to do, on how to, to move in front of the camera or how to act. I don't know. I don't like it. Don't want to apologize. I don't like it. You know? Na parang inaano sila na magsalita tayo ng malakas ha para marinig sa video. You know, give us, some thoughts. You know, kung anong ginagawa mo, ganyan ganito. I don't know. Feels like hindi siya nagiging totoo tuloy. Unlike sa mga, I don't know, maybe I'm just being sobrang sa pagkakagawa ng video na to, but like yung mga vlog nila today is may kita mo na sobrang genuine, like yung camera is sinusundan lang sila, they're doing their own thing, so yun yung nagiging enjoyable sa video kasi yung nakikita mo yung totoo, yun yung enjoyment na nakukuha natin sa vlog, right? Sa panonood ng mga vlog, kasi kung tutuusin, bakit ka manonood sa isang tao sa ginagawa nila sa buhay nila, right? Kung may sarili ka namang buhay, one of the enjoyable things, I don't know about you, but for me, hindi naman ako mahilig sa manood ng mga vlogs and ganyan ganito, but whenever I watch vlogs, yung na-enjoy ko is yung pagiging totoo, or yung tawag dito, alam mo yun, yung pagiging totoo ng buong scene, kung paano mag-react yung mga nag-vlog, totoo lang. And I don't know, I don't like it.
Yeah, I get that.
Maybe it's just me.
It has a strawberry on top of it.
Wow. Wow.
Looks very delicious. Pero kasi, I had too many sweets na. Like yesterday, so just settle for this na lang. Pero I'm so excited.
Okay lang ba? Okay lang ba kumuha ng madami? Okay lang? Ubusin mo yung stock nila ng
Hoarding talaga. Oh, I don't know. SB19 vlogs and food, no? Sobrang laging laging combination. I feel like every time you're gonna watch SB19 like vlogs, something like that, make sure na kumain ka na, no?
Kulang ako ng plato. Ikaw pa ako isang plato ka. Kulang ako pa.
Nakulangan pa ng isang plato, no? Oh.
Yay! I'm happy na.
Ta-da! Yay! So now, we got our food already kasi kumuha na kami dun sa bar and everyone got like 2 plates and
Ano nangyari dyan? Tingnan mo.
Ano
Like,
nangyari dyan,
everyone
Stel?
has 1 or 2 plates, but for Stel,
Why?
he has 4 plates.
Why?
So, ano meron?
Anong
what?
issue dito?
So,
Bakit apat
may
yung plato ko?
program mo
Mukhang
mag-uwi
gusto.
ka
Hindi,
sila.
kasi wait lang, teka lang, kasi di ba nagda-diet ako. Diet.
Diet.
So, kagabi hindi ako nag-dinner, hindi ako nag-breakfast, hindi ako nag-lunch. So, ito na yun, guys.
So, yan na. 4
Lahat na,
plates.
no?
4 plates. Okay. So, actually, before we start, kanina ko pa kasi napapansin eh. Ano ba to?
Itong chip?
Oh, ano tong chip na to?
Oh.
Let's ask someone.
I think may mag-explain.
Excuse me.
Yay!
Okay.
Kuya, kasi kanina pa namin napapansin to.
Yes, sir.
So ano bang purpose nito?
Ang purpose po nito is ito po yung magiging queue nyo para po sa mga steak na isi-serve ng mga churrasco server like me.
Churrasco.
So if you want to go with your steak, just flip it by green. Right. And if you want to stop, just flip it by red.
Oh, so is it
As simple as
unlimited?
that.
Unlimited, kuya?
Unlimited po.
Yes.
As long
Wow.
as naka-green po yung card nyo.
We'll
as
keep
long
getting steak.
Yes, sir.
Unlimited.
Wow.
Kung may unlimited samgyeopsal, meron din na unlimited steak.
Unlimited steak.
And we have a lot
I
of
bet ang
choices
mahal
po
kumain
sa
dito,
steak.
no?
Meron kaming beef, pork, lamb, meron din kaming fish, veggies, mixed veggies. Marami pong choices.
Mukhang mapapakain talaga tayo. Sir Juan, thank you po.
Thank you po, thank you po, Sir Sir Juan. Thank you po.
Sir,
Thank you po.
So we will
Juan.
be getting unlimited steaks, tapos iba-iba ang flavor. I think we'll be...
Feeling ko yung mga malalakas kumain, mag-enjoy talaga dito sa restaurant na to.
True.
Sino
But I
malakas
bet
kumain?
mahal
Hindi
kumain
naman-
dito, no?
hindi mahalata sa
I
plates
bet
eh.
mahal kumain dito.
Medyo
Diba?
apat lang plates.
Ano, baka pwede na tayo mag-start.
Tara,
Ano,
mag-start na
start
tayo
na ba tayo?
kumain.
Baka pwede na ako kasi napoproduce na.
Tara, let's go.
Let's go!
Wait lang, yun lang talaga kakainin nyo? Naawa ko sa inyo, pwede kayong kumuha sa akin.
Hindi, sige, okay lang.
Okay lang. Meron naman unlimited steak.
Nagdala food to share.
Hindi mo, grabe naman kasi yung takap. Hindi mo maubos still yan, sigurado.
Game pa. Game, let's eat na. Game, 5, 6, 7, 8.
잘 먹겠습니다!
Okay. Huwag mong sabihin na kapakita nyo pang kumain sila. Grilled tuna.
Water.
Oh, juicy, no?
Oh my God.
Oh,
Kuya, ito ba yung espada ni SPJ?
Espada ni Panday.
Espada ni Panday.
so. Gusto mo yung merong paano lang information. It reminded me of the 80s film, Ang Panday.
Oh.
So as long as it's green, they have unlimited
Ikaw, ano bang hilig?
steaks.
Mas gusto mo ba yung seafood or
Actually, kahit ano naman sa akin eh.
basta masarap?
Oo, basta masarap.
So, for just it's lang yun sa kanya.
So, ang kakainin po ni Justin, yung sword.
Yung sorry. Ako nga, wala na pala natira.
Po siya mamaya.
Hindi na umabot.
Oo, meron agad. Wala pa nga, hindi pa nga ako nakakabuelo eh. Gusto ko
Ooh!
yung ano nila, music nila. Parang
Con
nasa,
bacon.
ano, building house sa Sims. Kung nagdadalo kayo ng Sims, ganito yung ambience. Yung music, pwedeng build ka ng house.
Grilled vegetable?
Kuya, bigyan niyo po sa kanya yung sili. Oo, kuya. Opo, bigyan niyo po sa kanya.
Maling.
Maling.
Happy New Year!
What's that?
Ramdam ko New Year na.
Tender ham leg.
Magpapasko na rin naman eh.
Pineapple glaze. Oh, non-stop. Okay. Pork loin.
Masarap yan. For sure.
Uuwi ako na itong tanggal yung belt sa pants ko. Parang ang saya ng ano no, parang saktong-sakto yung punta natin dito sa resto.
Bakit?
Kasi di ba last time galing tayong Iloilo.
Oh.
Wala lang, parang ano, parang relax ano. Ewan ko.
Sa
eh.
bagay.
Or parang
Parang-
nagsisilbing relax day na natin, dog.
Thank you, kuya.
Free day.
Thank you po.
Parang free ano, parang ano ba to, rest day? Parang rest day, tapos celebration ng 5K likes ng page
Oh,
natin.
yes. Oh. Last,
Birthday month.
kailan ba yung Iloilo natin? Last Sunday lang yun, di ba?
Last
Last
Sunday.
weekend.
Ayun, well, last Sunday,
nasa
we went to Iloilo. We went to West Visayas State University tsaka sa Robinson's Place, Iloilo.
Yes.
Yan. Thank you, mga tawag sa mga nakatira sa
Ilonggo.
Ilonggo.
Ilong.
Thank you mga Ilonggo
Ah.
for inviting us there.
Grabe ang pet ni Pablo dito, no? And also Candid, the hair, man. The hair.
Yes.
Maraming
I hope you guys enjoyed our performances.
Mukha namang nag-enjoy sila eh. Kahit mainit, nanonood sila eh.
Oo nga, lalo na sa mga nasa West Visayas, grabe ang
West
init,
Visayas,
diba?
yes. Thank you so much sa mga student na pumunta kahit sobrang init. Nanood talaga kayo.
Grabe,
And
always
stay
na always
kayo
sila,
para
no?
mapanood yung performance namin.
Sana ma-invite ulit kami dyan next
Yes,
time.
yes.
Next time we will give you better performances sa mga niyan.
Ayun.
So, diretso ulit kain.
So habang kumakain, syempre dapat hindi puro kain, no?
Wow.
Kasi,
Alam niyo naman kasi minsan.
Sir Jun, di ba birthday mo ngayon?
Oh.
Anong plano mo?
Plano ko?
Aeroplano.
Anong plans mo after natin kumain?
Plans ko after kumain.
Parang hindi na-approve ni, ni Justin yung joke na yun, ah.
Like, after neto, uwi ka
Magpahinga.
na? Uwi ka na?
Siyempre magbubusog ako eh, magpapahinga muna.
Since birthday naman ni Sejun, tanungin naman natin siya, ano bang mga birthday wish niya?
Birthday wish ko. Siyempre, yung mga simpleng bagay lang, mga shoes, mga laptop, cellphone, mga car, mga ganyan.
Wow,
Simple, no?
Simple nga lang,
Yeah.
parang walang ano.
Tumatanggap
Baka
ako.
simpleng tao lang.
Yung mga simple lang, mga cellphone, mga Samsung Oxygen, gano'n, mga
house and lot.
house and lot. Pwede na din.
Pwede na din.
Hindi, ako, syempre,
Pinag-isipan pa, no?
ang wish ko sa birthday ko, syempre gusto ko maging healthy lahat tayo para hindi tayo kakasakit para magkakasama tayo.
Kumain
lagi
kasi
ng
kayong
birthday.
gulay. Kumain kayong gulay. Huwag
Kakain ako ng gulay
huwag kayo
mamaya.
puro meat para healthy kayo.
Tsaka syempre, sana maging successful lahat, walang maging aberya.
Roasted
Ayun,
banana?
Yes! So, as you can see guys, na-serve na lahat ng main course or yung specialty nila.
Mga steak, mga beef.
Steak. So, actually,
Grabe,
nakaserve pa lang,
dami.
Pero, akala namin, nag-expect yung mga 3 or 5 lang. Pero, hindi ko na mabilang eh. Feeling ko, more than 10 na to eh. Ayun.
Medyo puno na yung plato ko ng meat, tapos meron pa akong plato ng...
Feeling ko wrong choice talaga.
hindi ako nagsisisi.
May kaya yan,
Hindi ako-
Mukhang may baon na Tupperware si Stel.
May take home.
So, natikman nyo na ba? Let's start.
Let's go. Wait lang, lalabas ko lang yung Tupperware.
Kasi medyo,
So, tara na, mamaya, para hindi mabuking na may Tupperware ako. Ken.
Okay.
Happy
Oh.
birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
what's your wish?
Nice.
Happy birthday, Sejun!
19.
19! Oh, 19!
Oh my God, 19? What the hell?
Happy 19!
Magre-reklamo na sana ako eh. 19 ba yan? 19 ba yan?
So, it's our
19 ba si Pablo dito?
birthday.
Yay!
Sejun's birthday.
Happy birthday, Sejun!
Ayun, kailangan ko ba mag-message?
Oh, of course.
Ayun, syempre. Thank you. Tumatanda na ako, 19 years old na ako, grabe. Mag-wish pa ba ako? Kasi sinabi ko na yung wish ko kanina eh.
Hindi, bukod sa
Yung
cellphone,
lang.
laptop.
Sinabi
Yung
ko na
kotse.
yung totoong wish ko kanina. So,
Ay.
yung mas totoo ko pang wish. Gusto ko talaga ng kotse.
Okay.
Ayun, thank you sa lahat. Thank you sa inyo lahat.
And,
Thank you sa lahat ng
And syempre, pasalamatan natin ng Chateaubriand.
Yes.
For inviting us. And for the
Of course.
food, and the good
Thank
food.
you so
Yes,
much.
guys.
Thank you.
So,
cake for
yes, most of us has finished eating already. And kita nyo naman.
Go-blow up muna tayo, di ba?
Hindi, final na ba yung
Final.
wish mo?
Oo,
Final.
final
Kasi
na
hindi
ba?
kami mapayag na i-blow mo hanggat hindi ka nag-
I mean, there are things na hindi talaga nagbabago, no? I feel like sa most recent vlog nila, ito rin yung mga gusto ni Pablo pa rin, eh, no? If you guys remember na meron para silang vlog na, kung ano yung bibili nila, kung ano yung gusto nung mabubunot nila. Ito na yung pinipili ni Pablo noon pa, eh, no?
wish talaga.
Kotse, no?
Nag-wish na ako.
House and lot.
So, yun na yung wish mo.
Blow niya na.
Blow mo na.
Blow ko na.
1, 2, 3.
Why are we doing this?
Ang baho! Ang baho!
Ayun, tapos na po kaming kumain.
And ulit lang natin. Thank you so much sa
Chateau.
Chateau Briand. Yes, thank you so much sa sa food.
Pag-sponsor ng food.
Na-enjoy
Na-enjoy
namin yung meat, sobrang dami. Sobrang
Yes.
busog. Nag-adjust na ako ng bread.
After actually,
Sobrang sarap.
Yeah.
2 thumbs up.
guys, you can visit this store as well.
Yes.
And para matry nyo rin kung gaano kasarap, kita nyo naman yung mga kinain namin na hindi na namin ma-pronounce kung paano, pero go lang. so ayun,
Thank you ulit, guys. Thank you so much. And let's go.
so this has been SB.
What happened there?
Thank you so much. And let's go.
So this has been SB19. 감사합니다. Thank you guys.
Let's go, man. That's a wholesome video, no? Alright, well again, that is SB19 5,000 Facebook likes special, no? They're making a special for 5,000 likes, but imagine kung gaano nakalayo yung narating nila ngayon, no? Kung gaano nakalaki yung following nila. And nakakatawa lang makita or mag-look back kung saan sila nagsimula. And itong 5 to, they really deserve this win na nakuha nila because since before, sobrang thankful na sila at mga maliliit na panalo sa buhay. But that is our reaction today. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Just one wholesome reaction. Just a little bit of a wholesome reaction. Seems like we're always, having a hype or funny reaction for SB19 and mga video na pinapanood natin sa kanila. But I feel like we have one of a wholesome video, one of their wholesome video today. But yeah, well, I hope you guys enjoyed the reaction and see you on the next one.